On Thursday, United States President Joe Biden engaged in a telephone discussion with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, cautioning against Israel's proposed operation in the Gaza Strip city of Rafah. Biden emphasized the necessity of a comprehensive and actionable plan to safeguard civilians in the region. A statement from the White House highlighted the president's firm stance, reiterating his belief that any military action must prioritize the safety and welfare of the civilian population in Rafah. In a statement issued by the White House, it said that the two leaders discussed hostage negotiations, the prospect of an Israeli operation in Rafah, and humanitarian conditions in Gaza. The president reaffirmed his commitment to working tirelessly to support the release of all hostages as soon as possible, recognizing their appalling situation after 132 days in Hamas captivity. Read the statement. The President and the Prime Minister also discussed the situation in Gaza and the urgency of ensuring that humanitarian assistance is able to get to Palestinian civilians in desperate need, the White House said. This marks the second occasion within a week where President Joe Biden and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu have conferred on the Gaza conflict. In their prior exchange, Biden had admonished Netanyahu's intentions to enter the southern region of the Gaza Strip without a comprehensive plan to safeguard the approximately 1 million inhabitants residing there. Thursday's developments saw Israeli forces reportedly conducting a raid on the largest operational hospital in Gaza. This action unfolded amidst escalating international pressure on Israel to exercise restraint, particularly following its declaration to escalate military operations in Rafah, perceived as one of the last relatively secure areas in Gaza. Biden's earlier remarks characterized Israel's military response in Gaza as excessive, expressing deep concern over the mounting civilian casualties within the Palestinian enclave. These discussions underscore the delicate balance between addressing security concerns and minimizing harm to civilian populations, a central focus in the ongoing dialogue between the US and Israel on the Gaza conflict. The war started on October 7 when Hamas fighters entered Israel and killed 1,200 people, most of whom were civilians, and took 253 hostages as per the Israeli government. Since then, the Gaza Strip has been facing an air and ground offensive by Israel, which killed 28,663 people, most of whom were civilians, as per the health authorities, and displaced more than 2 million inhabitants.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.